Hey there, it's Anthony Morrison, and I'm glad you've stopped to watch this video. Listen, what I want to do is talk to you about the most important thing in the world that you can have right now. The most important thing you can have is confidence in yourself and a drive and desire to be successful. You know, if you click the link and you watch the video that we're going to show you today, I truly think that you'll be able to see that if you have that drive and you have that passion and you have that desire to really be successful, that you can achieve anything and everything that you want to achieve. What I want you to do is I want you to click that link. I want you to have what it truly takes to be successful. It's important to have all of the things that you could possibly need in order to have the success that you want all at your fingertips. This video that I'm going to share with you, this is going to be one of those things that you need to have at your fingertips, right? With a click of a button where you can watch, listen, learn, and then implement what you need to have success and start making money on the internet. So what I want you to do right now, click that link, watch that video, take massive action, and we're going to help you have massive success.
Click the link now and start working with an accomplished online entrepreneur to build your online success.